The Face ID feature on this XS Max phone doesn't work. Remove the front camera. Take out the G8 programmer. Camera connection post test. The chip fuses. Enter the activation interface. Connect the phone to the host. Click Activate. Click Read Data. Remove the camera. Take out the Face ID tag on Repair FPC. Cable connection host. Click Write Data. Connect the cable to the camera.